Today in crypto. Label Foundation has raised $1.1 million in a public sale funding round. The company will use the money to build a blockchain-based ecosystem to revolutionize the MOOC industry. HG Ventures led the public sale funding round with support from GBIC, Mindfulness Capital, IOST, and many other venture capitals. NFT infrastructure and entertainment education platform Label Foundation excitedly announced that it has successfully raised $1.0 million in its private sale funding round. The company aims to utilize the said amount of money to build a blockchain-oriented ecosystem to revolutionize the MOOC industry. Specifically, major tech firms including HG Ventures led the funding round event with much domination. Moreover, adding more, other leading venture capitals and blockchain-related institutions including GBIC, Mindfulness Capital, IOST, M6, Adaptive, Ista Labs, Alphabet, and Pragna supported the funding round event. In line with this, the aforementioned listed companies are seriously working hand-in-hand to fund the Label Foundation NFT platform with a mindset of pushing the MOOC industry adoption to the next level. HG Ventures company founder Simon Jun expressed what he knows about the matter. As the lead investors in the Label Foundation, we are first and foremost fascinated by the dedication of the core team to the unified goal to revolutionize the entertainment education market by bringing the MOOC industry and blockchain technology together. Also, Jun further added, we believe that NFTs will definitely need the next level of adoption, and the musicians, artists and other content creators that were previously restrained from their legitimate profits will now be able to protect their rightful IP rights in the most innovative NFT infrastructure platform. Briefly, Label Foundation is an open-source and unparalleled NFT platform designed under the Ethereum network. What is more, the Label NFT infrastructure on-chain activities are mainly powered by LBL utility and governance token. Apart from revolutionizing the MOOC industry, Label further has a goal to provide a fair sharing ecosystem by leveraging permissionless IP rights integration. Through a DAO voting system, Label provides a decentralized peer-to-peer incubating platform that enables investors to invest in world-class entertainment education content within the NFT world. In the same vein, doing this will enable anyone who contributes to claim groundbreaking profits via the NFT shareholding mechanism. Expanding further, with much support, OpenTrack operates as a core partner for the Label Foundation. Hence, as days move by, the label will feature prominent and other top stars like Mark Lettieri, 3x Grammy winner, on its platform. The featured top stars will also include Scoop DeVille, 2x Grammy nominee, Robert Sputzieried, 6x Grammy winner, Dox Kim, BTS producer, introduced through the OpenTrack. Furthermore, when the time is due, many other influential artists and instructors would get the chance to share their knowledge and insight via the incubating system. Right after this, they can also register their courses mainly as non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Even more, only the LBL holders will get access to the IP capitalization. This will then enable them to stake their tokens via the DAO governance mechanism to vote the type, of course, eligible for the label's ecosystem financing scheme. In the same breath, all the courses that have been sent on the Label platform will be registered in ERC 1155 NFT standard to give the share ratio of the ownership. Additionally, all the partners' sales revenue information will be published on the NFT page on the Label platform. Continue reading on CoinQuara. The art market and its community are going through rapid changes to keep up with the fast pace of the development of new technologies. The adoption of blockchain marked a new era in the art market, as the new technology continues to bring new experiences to artists, collectors, and art galleries. The technology of non-fungible tokens, NFT, bridges the gap between the physical and digital worlds by providing a solution that preserves the authenticity and ownership of art in the digital space. It has also transformed the process of collecting and the storage of artwork. In the first half of 2021 alone, NFT sales surged to $2.5 billion in value and invited people to reconsider how new technologies can reshape the current art landscape. While being on the pulse of current trends, blockchain lab SuperHow has joined forces with art galleries to introduce the SuperHow.art platform, bringing the art community their first and most unique NFT auction, a genuine oil painting, Head with Legs, by one of the greatest Russian surrealist artists, Oleg Tilkov, will be auctioned with a corresponding NFT. By bringing fine art to the metaverse of crypto, the project aims to extract the essence of NFTs. By leaving the current NFT rush aside, the project encourages the art community to invest in an authentic, genuine, and valuable piece of art. The future of art NFTs are located on the Ethereum blockchain. Blockchain, in its essence, empowers the community and decentralization. It has the potential to alter power dynamics in the consolidated art market and bring a new level of transparency. We will always need experts for proof of authenticity, provenance, valuation, yet new technologies will help and automate the processes, bring much more transparency, social relations, social acceptance, reassured Vytautas Gita, CEO of SuperRound.art. NFTs can be a digitized version of a physical collector's item. As fine art is an investment, proper storage is a mandatory but, at times, challenging task. Special storage requirements must be met to properly preserve valuable artwork, taking unique lighting, humidity, and temperature into consideration. In this way, NFT technology could serve as a workaround to owning paintings that reside in museums. The current developments in the art market are changing and affecting artists, managers, galleries, experts, and investors, as well as the art itself, shares Kita. NFTs may have one or multiple owners, depending on contract executions and the varied agreements in a contract. Whoever buys an artwork becomes its rightful owner. Using NFT technology, ownership can be easily proven and verified. The provenance and authenticity of the painting can then also be verified instantly, essentially making the art market fraud-proof. Kita believes that this is a significant time for galleries and art investors to get on top of technological advancements in order to bring new ideas to the masses, and create hybrid solutions that bridge the physical with the digital. When you tokenize fine art, you make it accessible to many more people by implementing the partial ownership concepts used in SuperRound.art. All this is making a huge impact on art investors. They need to evolve together with the market and become more flexible and liberal if they want to keep their positions, claims Kita. The unique auction, the SuperRound.art auction, will open on November 5, 2021. Lasting for a week. The organizers of this unique auction will facilitate a competition of the art community by introducing two bidding sides, whales and shrimps. This will open the auction to both major and minor bidders to see who has more power. Bids will be placed online on the SuperRound.art website. In order to be able to bid for the art piece, bidders need only be connected to a MetaMask wallet. There is no minimum value for the painting, and there is no reserve price for the auction. To win, whales need to outbid all previous bids. All bids placed by the Shrimp Collective are accumulated into a pool, which competes with the whale's bid. If a whale wins, they receive the actual painting, and the corresponding NFT is assigned to them. If the shrimp win, the painting remains in the gallery but will become co-owned. An NFT for the artwork will be split into multiple parts, corresponding to the individual shrimps' bids and assigned to their wallet addresses. If the shrimps decide to unite and give their shares to one person, thereby reaching 75% of the entire bid, that shrimp can then claim the painting and take physical ownership. Security of the auction. The organizers have implemented top-notch methods to secure the entire auction process. The auction system is running on the Ethereum blockchain using smart contracts to shield against malicious activities. All transactions will be signed using a private key. These transactions can be validated on the Ethereum main network and then finalized by the nodes to complete a transaction or payment. Aside from security, the auction ensures the anonymity of all participants as there is no backend on the auction system, meaning that user data will not be stored. Bidders will not be required to provide first or last names, and every transaction will use wallets and a smart contract to communicate, thereby preventing any potential personal data leaks. After winning the auction, the prevailing whale will prove their identity simply by interacting with the smart contract as proof of their ownership. Email newsletter. Join to get the flip side of crypto. Upgrade your inbox and get our daily coin editors picks 1x a week delivered straight to your inbox. Contact Form 7. You can always unsubscribe with just one click. Continue reading on Daily Coin. This week, our 6 questions go to Jennifer Wines, Vice President of Fidelity Private Wealth Management. Jen grew up between Mexico, Canada and the United States. Academics brought her to Boston, where she attended law school and passed the bar exam. Jen started her career at Goldman Sachs, NYSE, GS, Private Wealth Management and later transitioned to J.P. Morgan Private Bank. She is currently Vice President of Fidelity Private Wealth Management. She holds a Certified Private Wealth Advisor designation from the University of Chicago Booth School of Business. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. As part of its effort to embrace the ongoing rave around cryptocurrencies, the American multinational retail giant Walmart, NYSE, WMT, has rolled out a pilot program that would allow customers to add digital assets to their shopping lists. Meanwhile, the firm has installed Bitcoin-dispensing machines at some of its locations. According to Reuters, Walmart, in collaboration with digital currency exchange platform CoinMe and coin cashing machine company Coinstar, deployed 200 kiosks inside Walmart stores across the United States that would allow customers to buy Bitcoin. To access the machines, customers are required to insert bills and will in turn receive a voucher. The buyers would have to opt for a CoinMe wallet before undergoing a background check to retrieve the voucher for Bitcoin. According to Coinstar, a 4% fee is charged by the machine for BTC purchases, along with a 7% cash exchange fee. The launch follows an announcement from Walmart that stated that it was seeking a cryptocurrency product lead to spearhead the company's digital currency strategy back in August. However, Walmart got caught up in a hoax barely a month later after fake rumors made waves on prominent media networks claiming that the company was partnering with popular peer-to-peer payments network Litecoin, LTC. Bloomberg reported that Walmart's pilot program is part of a larger scheme by Coinstar to install 8,000 BTC dispensing kiosks around the country. Continue reading on BTC peers. Earlier this summer, CNN and the New York Times each warned that the non-fungible token, NFT, bubble, fueled by buzz over eye-popping valuations for digital art and interest from collectors, might already be bursting. As the sixth employee at a social media startup called Wildfire, which was acquired by Google, Google, in 2012, I'm all too familiar with skeptics and precautionary tales when it comes to new and emerging technologies. Based on my experiences across entertainment, licensing and blockchain technology, I contend that if the so-called NFT bubble is bursting, it could be a net positive for the future of the industry. The industry is so nascent. We're the first batter of the first inning right now. Ben Arnon is the co-founder and chief revenue officer at Curio, an NFT platform for the entertainment industry. Ben's career began in the entertainment business with lead roles at Jersey Films, Universal Pictures, Universal Music Group, as UMG, and Yahoo! AB Music. In 2010, he joined tech startup Wildfire, and helped to scale the company to an acquisition by Google. Ben held a sales leadership role at Google for 4 years, before transitioning back into entertainment. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.